Hey, today, guess what I have? Two 21 Roush F150s. Both came in naturally aspirated, and we installed the new Roush Supercharger. They fit 21 and 22 F150s. Hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you haven't, please subscribe and notify you, stay up to date. I do a lot of cool dyno videos, which we're gonna do today. Both these trucks are gonna go on the dyno. We're gonna see what they make, but first, I have Doug with me. Let's go down and check them out. All right, before we head into the 100-degree dyno cell today, which is why I'm inside the shop showing these trucks off. You know, normally I'm in the dyno cell. I want to show you the Supercharger. Come down here, Doug. Flywheel rated by Roush, 705 horsepower. It's the TVS, it's the 2650. You get the Superchargers intercooled as an oversized heat exchanger. You get the awesome Roush air induction system, which I always love. The clear on there so you can check out the air filter. But it's a sweet setup, instant torque when you go wide open throttle. And to be fair, Doug, come over here. It's a twin. It's kind of cool having these in the same day. Again, exact same thing. These Superchargers come, you don't have to pay for this extra, a 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. If you're worried about that, from Roush, it's included. As long as it's installed by someone like us, or you know, like a Ford, Roush certified Ford dealership, that's included. If you want, you know, these work on, doesn't have to be a Roush F150. Normal F150 5-liter, they fit on that, no problem. 21 or 22. They are not yet California legal, but they will be here shortly. So check that description. I'll put a link to this kit. And of course, that'll update on our website once it's 50 state legal. And hey, what's this cost to get installed? Quote at brentspeed.com. That description, the link I told you about, will tell you exactly how much this kit costs because we can ship it to your door. Let's head in the dyno cell. All right, check out these numbers. 2 trucks, same day, about 100 degrees in the cell today, both running 93 octane. They are from different states. I'll talk a little bit more about that. Here's the numbers. Here's what we got. One was 507, peaking at 6,400. One was almost 18, peaking at 6,800. One's torque is 446, one is 434. So numbers are extremely close. Doug, come over here and take a look. So the 507 shut down at 6,500 RPM. That's from the speed limiter. And then the other truck that made 518 shut down at about 6,800 RPM. Again, heading the speed limiter. These trucks have about a 105, 106 mile an hour speed limiter on from the factory. So I'm gonna guess one of them maybe has a different rear gear than the other. I didn't check that, but pretty much almost identical. So it's a sweet setup. You know, we're not looking at Mustang graphs. These trucks have big drivetrain loss, big wheels, big tires, all lower your number, but that's really sweet. Because I had so these are flywheel rated 705, and I had a Whipple, which is flywheel rated at 775, and here a couple weeks ago, and that one was like 525, I think. So the kits come out really good, man. Instant torque. You go wide open throttle, look at that, torque comes up, holds in all the way across the board. You gotta love it. With the 10-speed auto, I assure you, these trucks feel really, really fast because I had the same kit on my Roush F150. It was awesome. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Have questions, leave that comment. We're happy to answer. Pretty cool to have 2 of those in today with the pretty much exactly the same. The gray one did have aftermarket Roush catback. The white one was stock exhaust. It will be getting that other catback that the gray one has in the next upcoming 2 weeks. So again, subscribe, notify, stay up to date, leave that comment, quote at brentspeed.com. What's that cost to get installed? And check that description, click on the part, we can ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching.